In the vehicle, the operation of the top is indicated although it's already closed. The problem is due to the microswitch in the top fastener. To access the microswitch, remove the upper paneling behind the windshield. The sun visors must also go. The inside lining must only be loosened on the driver's side. And now you can see the microswitch. Check the error message once more with the top closed. The distance between the pin of the microswitch and the bolt should be at least 1 mm. Check this with a feeler gauge whether the distance is correct. If the distance is less than 1 mm, correct this in the rear fastener. To do this, go to the rear part of the top. By the way, the painted parts of the vehicle need only be covered where you're working. Before you start to measure, switch off the ignition to release the pressure in the hydraulic system. Now with the emergency key, turn the fastener into the closed position. Press here against the hook to take out the play. The distance between the point of the hook and the locking pin must be between 86 and 87 mm. If this is not the case, the center top control must be set. You'll find it under the lining of the front part of the top and remove this. To set the distance measurement, loosen these 4 screws. By shifting the top control, the distance is changed. The reinstallation occurs in reverse order. Lastly, check the gap once more between the pin of the microswitch and the bolt. If everything is correct, the announcement in the instrument cluster should have disappeared when the top is closed.